Chapter 3. Technical Specifications. Performance. The Pipistrel virus SW-80 exhibits impressive performance characteristics. Its takeoff ground roll at maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, is 140 meters, and it requires 225 meters to clear a 50 feet obstacle, though this can vary based on wind, temperature, elevation, and the condition of the wing and propeller surfaces. The best climb speed is 76 knots, with a best climb rate at MTOW of 1,220 feet per minute, 6.1 meter per second at sea level, and a best climb rate at 100 knots of 800 feet per minute, 4.0 meter per second. The cruise airspeed is 112 knots. During descent, the sink rate at 50 knots with full flaps and power idle is 440 feet per minute, 2.2 meter per second. In glide performance, the minimum sink rate speed is 58 knots, with a minimum sink rate of 460 feet per minute, 2.3 meter per second, at 15 degrees flaps. The best lift to drag, LD, ratio speed is 64 knots, achieving a ratio of 17:1 with 15 degrees flaps. For landing, the final approach speed with 25 degrees flaps is 50 knots, and the landing roll at MTOW, sea level, is 410 feet. These specifications highlight the aircraft's efficiency and versatility in various flight conditions. Questions. Question number 1. What is the takeoff ground roll at MTOW for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 120 meters. B. 130 meters. C. 140 meters. D. 150 meters. Question number 2. What is the takeoff ground roll over a 50 feet obstacle for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 200 meters. B. 215 meters. C. 225 meters. D. 235 meters. Question number 3. What is the best climb speed for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 66 knots. B. 76 knots. C. 86 knots. D. 96 knots. Question number 4. What is the best climb rate at MTOW for the Pipistrel virus SW-80 at sea level? A. 1,020 feet per minute. B. 1,120 feet per minute. C. 1,220 feet per minute. D. 1,320 feet per minute. Question number 5. What is the best climb rate at 100 knots for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 600 feet per minute. B. 700 feet per minute. C. 800 feet per minute. D. 900 feet per minute. Question number 6. What is the cruise air speed for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 102 knots. B. 112 knots. C. 122 knots. D. 132 knots. Question number 7. What is the sink rate at 50 knots for the Pipistrel virus SW-80 with full flaps and power idle? A. 340 feet per minute. B. 390 feet per minute. C. 440 feet per minute. D. 490 feet per minute. Question number 8. What is the minimum sink rate speed for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 48 knots. B. 58 knots. C. 68 knots. D. 78 knots. Question number 9. What is the minimum sink rate with flaps at 15 degrees for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 360 feet per minute. B. 410 feet per minute. C. 460 feet per minute. D. 510 feet per minute. Question number 10. What is the best LD ratio speed for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 54 knots. B. 64 knots. C. 74 knots. D. 84 knots. Question number 11. What is the best LD ratio with flaps at 15 degrees for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 15:1. B. 16:1. C. 17:1. D. 18:1. Question number 12. What is the final approach speed with flaps at 25 degrees for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 40 knots. B. 45 knots. C. 50 knots. D. 55 knots. Question number 13. What is the landing roll at MTOW, SL, for the Pipistrel virus SW-80? A. 310 feet. B. 360 feet. C. 410 feet. D. 460 feet. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.